Good morning, my students. Today, inshallah, we will have a new sound. Are you ready? Okay. So, our learning outcomes for today, number one, we are going to identify the sound. Then, we are going to recognize the sound in words. Then, we are going to write the sound in 4 lines. At the end, we are going to read some words. Okay, my students? Now, listen and catch the butterfly. Okay? I will say the sound. You have to catch the butterfly that has the sound. Okay? Now, the sound is E. Where is it? Excellent. Well done. Okay. S. Very good. Da, 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 da. Well done. E. Excellent. Get. Well done. Mmm. Good job. Excellent. Ah, well done. G. Very good, my students. Okay, now let's start with the story. One day there was a little girl. Her name was Umayma. Umayma was playing with her brother in their rooms. Suddenly, Umayma felt sleepy. She said to her brother Omar, this is Omar, please, Omar, can you switch off the light? I want to sleep. Omar said, okay, my little sister, I'm gonna to switch off the light. Omar was playing with the light. What he was doing? Switch on, off, on, off, on, oh, 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 oh. So today we have the sound oh. We have the sound what? Oh, what's this? Oh, well done, my students. So what is the action for the sound oh? On, off, on, off, oh, 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 oh. Okay? Imagine that you are turning switch on and off the light like this, on, on, off. So this is the sound oh. This is the sound oh. Okay, now let's hear the song for the sound oh. Listen. Now we start, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Now we start, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, so this is the sound. Oh, the sound. Oh, okay, now how can we write the sound oh? It's very easy, teacher. It is like a circle. Okay, but from which line? Line number one? No. Line number two? Yes. Line number three? Yes. Line number four? No. Okay, we have to start from the dot as we are writing the sound K. First, like this. O, round, then close it like this. Oh, okay, again, my students. O, round, very good. Okay, don't do
So we have to turn like this, okay? Don't do the opposite, okay? Again, round like this. It's very easy. From line number 2 till 3, can you do the rest? Very good. Now, can you color the sound O for me? Where is the sound O? Can you find it? Yes, here, teacher. Well done. Another O? Yes, here. Very good. Another O. Here. Where is it? Oh, 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 oh. Here. And here we have O. And here we have O. Here we have O. No, no. This is A. Excellent. So this is O. Okay, good. Now, can you read words with the O sound? Let's read it together. D-O-G, dog. Well done. Dog. H-O-T, hot. P-O-P, pub. P-O-T, pot. Well done. M-O-P, mop. Mop. Okay, so here we have dog, hot, pop, pot, mop. Well done, my students. That's all for today. Thank you. Goodbye.